Welcome back to the brand new session of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And in this session, we will see what kind of settings we can do in our VM. So previously we saw how to download and install VMware Workstation, then how we can create a virtual machine, and then previously we saw how we can install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system. So in this section, we will see how we can configure our basic settings. So you can just go through this icon and you can just go to these settings. So please make sure I'm just showing you the recommended setting which you can do in your system. Otherwise, you can also apply your configuration according to your requirement. So network, I'm okay with that. Bluetooth, no. Background, you can select any one of them. Notification, I will just turn off the lock screen notification. If you want any other notification as well, so yes, you can turn off all the notifications if you want. This is a search. If you are going to search, so yep, everything will be included. Multitasking, I'm okay with that setting. Application, no, I don't want any kind of configuration setting. Location service, you can turn off. Camera setting, microphone setting, Thunderbolt if you have. File history, you can also file history duration, you can check the forever 30 days, so it will be automatically clear in your system. Screen lock, I will check the never and automatic screen lock, no, I don't want. Show notification lock screen, no, actually. So this was the privacy setting. Online account, if you want to add any kind of accounts in your system, yes, you can. Screen sharing and remote login, again, it depends on your requirement. So I have increased the full volume. Then you can just go with power, balance, and everything. I'm good with this setting. I just want to show the battery percentage, so it's fine, and it's charging, so yes, good. Display, again, it depends on your requirement. Keyboards, so everything is fine. Printer, I don't want to add any kind of things. Color, region, and language, you can also change the settings. Accessibility, you can you can turn on the flashes or visual alerts. Let me show you. This is an entire screen and this is window on which you are having any alerts. So this is how you can just work with that. Users, if you want to add any user, so yes, you can. Default application, date and time, though we have changed this, but again, after reboot, it's get resetted, but now you will get the permanent setting as it is. So fine. About, it's fine, everything is fine. So this is the basic setting which you can configure in your system.